The Sistema microwave rice cooker. Cook the rice. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another topless review with Coach Arts. Today, my joke is the first actual bite. It could be a thing. It could be a thing. If you want it to be a thing, do you? Today, the Sistema microwave rice cooker. That's what we're reviewing. How do I come to have this? Recently, it was my partner's birthday, and our really thoughtful 10-month-old thought this was an awesome present for her mum. Smart. Because recently, she's not been going to bed on time, and she's been staying up, and bedtime routine's been a bit tricky. Cooking rice, we can't be stood at the stove, burning it, getting it stuck. I've eaten a lot of rice in my time. I've been considering getting a proper rice cooker. This little baby I came across recently, and I thought, no, could it be? Could it be? It's not even a fraction of the price. It's not even a fraction of the price. But this is getting some incredible reviews. So, we're gonna find out what the fuss is about. The Sistema microwave cooker. It doesn't cook microwaves. No, it doesn't. Disclaimer, it does not cook microwaves. The Sistema microwave rice cooker. Cook the rice. I will open it up. We will sort of unbox, if you will. I will take the 4 red clips off. Kind of got a little lid thing with some air holes. Fantastic. Comes with a little book. Sistema microwave rice cooker. Phthalate and BPA free. That's very good. Jokes aside. If you don't know what phthalates are, look them up. It's a terrible toxin that's seeping from plastics into your food and is drastically reducing the testosterone levels in men and other bad things. BPA, the same, just not as bad. Phthalate. So this is the microwave rice cooker's handy little book. Says work it yourself. Handy little bookie book. Next up, we have this other little shelf. Comes with a handy little spike pad. Comes with a handy little spatula of some kind. And inside, a rabbit. Only joking, nothing in there. You watching? Rabbit, no. This is the main cooking department, made in New Zealand, presumably by Sistema. Yeah, very simple, okay? So we're thinking, is it gonna do the job? Is it? From the book, I have gathered that we're gonna need some rice, because, you know, that would help. I will be conducting my experiment today with the whole long grain, but you will be informed enough to know there are many grains that one could choose from. Today I'm going with the basic long grain. Okay? This is my trusty little scale. We are going to take the microwave rice cooker, we're going to put it on the scales, I'm going to zero that out, I'm going to put 250 grams. Ah, 500 mil. That's 500 mil. 250, 500, bang it. Which is basically 1 part rice, 2 part water, which is what you should be doing anyway, it's just the same. Bang that in there. You should wash the rice. I didn't. Make sure you wash your rice. Don't do what I do. Do what I say. I normally wash the rice. I forgot, if I'm honest. I was just so like in the process and I just dumped it in so I wanted to get on to the next step. Like, why did I wash the rice? Salt's in. We are seeing 8 to 12 minutes, right? I might put it back together. This part has to be that way, so these nice little handles, or the little pinchy parts. Put them in. And I'm presuming that's for doing this, right? You've got to have extra finger flair, because otherwise it don't really work. You can't just like go in with big like claws. You've got to be like finger flair. Like that. See? All about technique. All about technique. It's not what you do, it's how you do it. Next up. Pop them on, pop them on, pop them on, pop them on. Now, the Sistema microwave cooker. The rice cooker! Put it on for 8 to 12 minutes. We'll start with 8, and then we'll have a little look, see if it's all fluffed up. It might be. But probably 8 minutes of pausing. Right. 2, 1! Moment of truth. Come on, Sistema! This is what you need. Awesome gloves, right? Salaganda, is it? Don't forget the technique. Like that, see? Obviously it's going to be a bit hot. Take your time. Go steady, soldier. That is soft, fragrant. No, I'm just joking. It's not. It's just long grain. I haven't added any. It's just soft, well cooked. It's amazing because normally it gets stuck to the pan. That ain't happening here. This is a game changer! Bin. I mean, obviously it's down to taste. You might want the full 12 minutes, but for me that 8 minutes was perfect. It's going to be to do with the wattage of your microwave as well. But in all seriousness, 8 minutes, and you saw how quickly it was just to bung it in, bung the water in. Oh, I had to quickly use that, but we bunged it in, we bunged it, we bunged. You know, it took what? Really took like 10 minutes, especially with the technique, and done. Now, it's not going to stick. Just put that in the fridge later if you want it. Straight in your Tupperwares. Meal prep super quick, so I'm going to do this morning. Got some mince that I'm going to make. Sistema, great job! In all seriousness, this is awesome. It cost around 8 quid. Got it the next day from Amazon. Link in the description. This is a game changer! Bin.